Welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to evaluate the following limits. This is chapter 13, limits and derivatives, exercise 13.1, question 6 to 10. Question number 6, limit x tends to 0, x plus 1 whole raised to 5 minus 1 divided by x. Here we put the value of x, that is x equal to 0 directly, then we get, instead of x we put 0, then x plus 1 becomes 0 plus 1 whole raised to 5 minus 1 divided by x equal to 0. So divided by 0, that is equal to 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 raised to 5 is 1 itself. Minus 1 by 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. So that equals 0 by 0. Here if we put the value of x directly, we got 0 by 0 form. So directly if we put the value, we get 0 by 0 form. That means we can't put the value directly. So how will you find the solution? So we have to use either factorization, formulae, rationalization or substitution method. Now here we have formula limit x tends to a, x raised to n minus a raised to n by x minus a equals n a raised to n minus a. To solve this problem, we use this formula. Why we choose this formula instead of factorization, rationalization or substitution method? Here x plus 1 whole raised to 5. This is a power. So in this equation also limit x tends to a, x raised to n minus a raised to n by x minus a. That equals power into n into a raised to n minus 1. Whatever be the value here, that is the limit. X tends to a. X raised to n minus a raised to n. These two values are same. Then in the denominator, this x minus a. And this x tends to this value a. Limit x tends to a, x raised to n minus a raised to n by x minus a. That equals n is power a raised to n minus 1. To solve this formula, to solve this problem, we use this formula. Is it clear? So our question is limit x tends to 0, x plus 1 whole raised to 5 minus 1 divided by x. Our equation is limit x tends to a, x raised to n minus a raised to n by x minus a equals n a raised to n minus 1. Here we have x minus a is in the denominator. Limit x tends to a. Whatever value we have in limit x tends to a, x raised to n minus a raised to n. In this equation, whatever value we have in this place, that is written as here as limit. Limit x tends to a, x raised to n minus a raised to n divided by x minus a. Is it clear? That equals this power into a raised to n minus 1. This is a formula. Whatever value we have in this place, that value is written here. Is it clear? In our question, we already have x plus 1 whole raised to 5. But compare these two equations. Then x plus 1 whole raised to 5 minus, we want here also 1 raised to 5. Is it clear? X raised to n minus a raised to n divided by x minus a equals n a raised to n minus 1. In this question, he already have x plus 1 whole raised to 5. Then the 1 to the power of anything is 1 only. Here in the denominator only x is there. But we want x raised to n minus a raised to n divided by this x minus a. In this question, in the numerator x plus 1 whole raised to 5 minus 1. 1 will be written as 1 raised to 5. No problem. 1 raised to 5 is 1 itself. So, but in the denominator we want this minus this x minus a. In the place of x in this question, x plus 1, a is 1 here. So, we want x plus 1 minus 1 in the denominator. X plus 1 minus 1 in the denominator. But here only x is there. So, in the denominator, adding and subtracting 1. So, plus 1 and minus 1 is nothing but 0. There is no problem. So, we want to make the changes in the limit also. In the place of x, we have x plus 1. In the place of a, we have 1. Now, compare this with our original equation. So, here x tends to 0. But we want x tends to, in the original equation, this x tends to a, we want. In this question, here x plus 1 and here 1, we want x plus 1 tends to 1. But here only given that x tends to 0, then we want to convert it as x plus 1 tends to 1. Is it clear? We want to convert x tends to 0 as x plus 1 tends to 1. Here, we want to get x plus 1 tends to 1 in place of x tends to 0. So, we have x tends to 0 in the question. We need to write x plus 1 tends to 1 instead of x tends to 0. How? So, add 1 to both sides. X becomes x plus 1 tends to 0 becomes 0 plus 1. X plus 1 tends to 1. So, adding 1 to both sides, then we get x plus 1 tends to 1. So, our limit changes as x tends to 0 to x plus 1 tends to 1. So, our question becomes limit x plus 1 tends to 1, x plus 1 whole raised to 5 minus 1 raised to 5. 1 raised to 5 is 1 itself. So, no problem. Divide by x plus 1 minus 1. X plus 1 minus 1 is nothing but x. So, to convert this into the form of this, we add and subtract 1. So, this x, we write it as x plus 1 minus 1. Now, compare these two equations. Limit x plus 1 tends to 1, x plus 1 whole raised to 5 minus 1 raised to 5 divided by x plus 1 minus 1. Our formula is limit x tends to a, x raised to n minus a raised to n by x minus a. Both are similar. Now, apply the equation. First, write the power. What is the power value here? N. Here n is 5. 5 into a raised to n minus n. Here a is 1. 1 raised to 5 minus 1. 5 into 1 raised to 5 minus 1 is 4. 5 into 1 raised to 4 is 5 into 1, that is equal to 5 itself. Is it clear? Now, 7th question. Limit x tends to 2, 3x square minus x minus 10 by x square minus 4. In this question, we put the value x equal to 2 directly, we get 0 by 0. 3 into x square becomes 2 square minus 2 minus 10 by 2 square minus 4. 3 into 2 square is 4. 4 minus 2 minus 10. Minus 2 minus 10 is minus 12. 3 into 4 is plus 12. Plus 12 minus 12 is 0. 4 minus 4 is also 0. So, we put the value of x directly, we get 0 by 0 form. That means we have to simplify this either by using the formula, rationalization method or factorization method. First, we observe the question. What is the question here? 3x square minus x minus 10 by x square minus 4. Here, find the factors of this. First, find the factors. We use the factorization method. Apply the factorization method because formula is not going to suit this problem. This formula is not going to suit this problem. So, apply factorization method. Here, we have 3x square minus x minus 10. So, how to factorize this? 3 into minus 10 is minus 30. Middle minus 1. So, 6 into 5 minus 6 into 5 gives minus 30. Minus 6 plus 5 gives minus 1. So, the factors are minus 6 and 5. 6 into 5, minus 6 into 5 is minus 30 and the minus 6 plus 5 is minus 1. So the factors are minus 6 and 5. The factors of 3x square minus x minus 10 is minus 6 and 5. So here we apply the factorization method to solve this problem. So limit x tends to 2, 3x square minus x minus 10 by x square minus 4. So we got the factors are minus 6 and 5. So this minus 6 can be written as minus 6x plus 5x. Minus 6x plus 5x. Minus 6x plus 5x gives minus x. So instead of minus x, we write minus 6x plus 5x. Limit x tends to 2, 3x square minus 6x plus 5x minus 10 divided by x square minus 4 can be written as x square minus 2 square. Since we know the equation a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. So here first in 3x square minus 6s we take 3x as common. So take 3x as common, here remaining is x and here minus 2 plus in 5x minus 10 we take 5 as common, 5 into x minus 2. Now x minus 2 is common. So x minus 2 is taken as common, then first term 3x plus this is taken as common, remaining is 5. X minus 2 into 3x plus 5 divided by x square minus 2 square can be written as a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Similarly, x square minus 2 square can be written as x plus 2 into x minus 2. So instead of x square minus 2 square, we write x plus 2 into x minus 2. These x minus 2 get cancelled. Then limit x tends to 3x plus 5 divided by x plus 2. After factorization, we can directly put the value x is equal to 2, because if we put the value x is equal to 2, we are not going to get 0 by 0 form. So we directly put the value x is equal to 2. So instead of x, we write 2. 3x becomes 3 into 2 plus 5 divided by 2 plus 2. 3 into 2 is 6 plus 5 divided by 2 plus 2, 4. 6 plus 5 is 11. 11 by 4 is the answer. Is it clear? Now, eighth question, question number 8, limit x tends to 3, x raised to 4 minus 81 divided by 2x square minus 5x minus 3. In this question, we put the value of x is equal to 3 directly, then we are going to get 0 by 0 form. That means we have to factorize this. We observe this question, we know that factorization method is suitable for this question. So limit x tends to 3, x square x raised to 4 minus 81 can be written as x raised to 4 is equal to x square whole square. We know that a raised to m whole raised to n is equal to a raised to m into n. Similarly, x raised to 4 can be written as x square whole raised to 2, that is equal to x raised to 2 into 2, that is equal to 4. So 81 can be written as 9 square. 9 into 9 is 81 divided by 2x square minus 5x minus 3. To factorize 2x square minus 5x minus 3, here my 2 into minus 3 is minus 6, minus 5. For the product, 6 and minus 6 and 1 are the factors. Minus 6 into 1 is minus 6, minus 6 plus 1 is minus 5. So the factors are minus 6 and 1. So this, instead of minus 5x, we write minus 6x plus x. So 2x square minus 6x plus x minus 3. So limit x tends to 3, x square whole square minus 9 square divided by 2x into 2x is taken as common into x minus 3 plus x minus 3. Now x minus 3 is common. Take x minus 3 as common. Then after taking x minus 3 common, remaining is 2x plus 1. So x square whole square minus 3 square can be written as, using this formula, a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So x square whole square minus 9 square can be written as x square plus 9 into x square minus 9. divided by x minus 3 into 2x plus 1. Now, again, x square minus 9 can be written as x square minus 3 square. So, x square minus 3 square can be factorized as x plus 3 into x minus 3 using this formula. A square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Similarly, x square minus 3 square is equal to x plus 3 into x minus 3. So, instead of x square minus 3 square, we write x plus 3 into x minus 3. So, limit x tends to 3, x square plus 9 into x plus 3 into x minus 3 divided by x minus 3 into 2x plus 1. Instead of x square minus 3 square, we write x plus 3 into x minus 3. This x minus 3 get cancelled. Limit x tends to 3, x square plus 9 into x plus 3 divided by 2x plus 1. Now, put the value of 3 in place of x. We got x square plus 9 becomes 3 square plus 9. X plus 3 is 3 plus 3 divided by 2 into 3 plus 1. 3 square is 9. 9 plus 9, 18. 18 into 6 by 7. 18 into 6 is 108 by 7 is the answer. Now, question number 9. Limit x tends to 0, x plus b by cx plus 1. Solution. Here, if we put the value of x is equal to 0 directly, we are not going to get 0 by 0 form. So, directly substitute the value. Limit x tends to 0, x plus b by cx plus 1 is equal to a into 0 plus b divided by c into 0 plus 1. So, a into 0 is 0, c into 0 is 0, 0 plus b is b itself, 0 plus 1 is 1, b by 1 is b. So, b is the answer. Question number 10. Limit z tends to 1, z raised to 1 by 3 minus 1 by z raised to 1 by 6 minus 1. Here, we apply the formula limit x tends to a, x raised to n minus a raised to n by x minus a equals n a raised to n minus 1. We know here the power value is there. So, compare these two equations. We convert the question into this form, then we apply this formula. Is it clear? In our question, also x as well as a is there. Here x is z and a is 1. Now, if we want to apply this formula, which formula? Limit x tends to a, x raised to n minus a raised to n by x minus a equal to n a raised to n minus 1. If we want to apply this formula, what is x raised to n minus a raised to n? The denominator we want x minus a. Similarly, here x raised z raised to 1 by 3 minus 1 can be written as 1 raised to 1 by 3. So, in the denominator we want z minus 1. Is it clear? Similarly, in the denominator z raised to 1 by 6 minus 1. This 1 can be written as 1 raised to 1 by 6. And in the denominator also we want z minus 1. Then only we apply this formula. Is it clear? First convert the given question into this form. Then apply the formula. Is it clear? Our question is limit z tends to 1, z raised to 1 by 3 minus 1 by z raised to 1 by 6 minus 1. Here our formula is limit x tends to a, x raised to n minus a raised to n by x minus a. Answer is n a raised to n minus 1. So, z raised to 1 by 3 minus 1 can be written as 1 raised to 1 by 3. No problem. 1 raised to any value is 1 itself. Though divided by z raised to 1 by 6 by, z raised to 1 by 6 minus 1 raised to 1 by 6. So, we want z minus 1 in the denominator, then only apply this formula. Is it clear? So, multiply and divide by z minus 1. In both the cases, we want z minus 1 in the denominator. So, multiply and divide by z minus 1. So, then z raised to 1 by 3 minus 1 raised to 1 by 3. This z minus 1 can be take here. So, this becomes z minus 1. This we write here. So, z minus 1 by z raised to 1 by 6 minus 1 raised to 1 by 6. Multiply and divide by z minus 1. Then this z minus 1 right under the z raised to 1 by 3 minus 1 raised to 1 by 3 and z raised to 1 by 6 minus 1 raised to 1 by 6 can be right under z minus 1. Is it clear? Then this can be written as 1 by z raised to 1 by 6 minus 1 raised to 1 by 6 divided by z minus 1. So here we apply the limit separately. So limit z tends to 1, z raised to 1 by 3 minus 1 raised to 1 by 3 by z minus 1. So similarly in the denominator also limit z tends to 1, z raised to 1 by 6 minus 1 raised to 1 by 6 by z minus 1. Now compare this with our original equation for formula. Here x raised to n minus a raised to n. Here is raised to 1 by 3 minus 1 raised to 1 by 3. These are powers are same. Then divide by x minus a. Divide by z minus 1. So in the case of denominator also, z raised to 1 by 6 minus 1 raised to 1 by 6 by z minus 1. X approaching to a. Here z approaching to 1. So both of them are similar. So apply this formula. What is the formula here? Power into power. What is the power n? N is 1 by 3. A is 1. N a raised to n minus 1. 1 by 3 into 1 raised to 1 by 3 minus 1. In the denominator, n is 1 by 6 and a is 1. So 1 by 6 into 1 raised to 1 by 6 minus 1. So this is 1 and this is also 1. So 1 by 3 by 1 by 6. This can be written as 1 by 3 into 6 by 1. So 3 2s are 6. Answer is 2. Is it clear? Thank you.